Hello, good morning. I'm Nadia Kusuma. I'm manager SDM in this hospital. I have many questions for you, and before going to the main question, please introduce yourself.
Good morning. Please allow me to introduce myself. I am Mel Susanti, a fresh graduate majoring in Diploma 3 in Nursing at the Al Ikhlas Nursing Academy.
What experience do you have?
I have some strong work experience that will help me in this job if I success. I did a 3 months internship at Parto Widigdo Lung Hospital, 2 months at Rukun Senior Living and Care, then 2 months at Pelabuhan Ratu Regional General Hospital, and 1 month at Tamrin Clinic. It helped me gain confidence when speaking in public and also show me that is a job that requires me to work hard.
What interested you in pursuing a career as a nurse?
I chose nursing as a career because I love listening to people's stories. Over one summer holiday in high school, I got the chance to travel to Vietnam and care for blind children. To experience opening my eyes to how much care takes give of takes place every day. It showed me that simply being there for a stranger can make a difference in their life. This inspired me to studying nursing.
Describe how you manage your shift.
As a nurse, my duties change every shift. This is especially true during the flu season when the general ward charge full capacity. To stay on top of my patient care, I take out 20 minutes at the beginning of each shift to review my patient character for any major change. During my rounds, I try to build a rapport with my patient to encourage them to share important health information. This way, I can minimize mistakes and prioritize more serious patients.
Tell me about a time when you handle a challenging patient.
Many children I work with are afraid of injection. To deal with their emotion, I try to uh, reassure them with words of encouragement or sing nursery rhythms of distract them. I believe that working together with patients to understand their fear and confirm help me perform my role more effectively.
What makes you a good nurse?
Being teachable makes me a good nurse. When I interact with patients, I learn to be more patient and understanding. Every day, during lunch break, I find it so fun vacation to learn about new innovation. In nursing from my more experienced college, my openness to experience has always given me an edge in patient care.
You have made a mistake while treating a patient. What do you do?
Often I can intuitively tell when I have made a mistake. For me, this first step is to take my guest interest seriously. Next, I follow hospital procedure to ensure the patient is stable before beginning a fellow nurse or doctor. For help, once the problem is under control, I clearly explain the situation to the patient with an apology.
Tell us about your growth as a nurse.
Spending the past 5 years in the nursing field working directly with patients has shown me just how far active listening can go in making a patient feel comfortable. In my previous role, I was lucky to be mentored by the sister on the ward. She taught me how it is to apply the same communication skill with senior doctor too. I believe this role at your hospital is the next step in accepting my goal of weakening.
What values are important to you as a nurse?
As a nurse, I value being a role model of the 6 Gs. I prioritize care and communication in my interaction with patients and CO workers. Before taking on a case, I ensure my competency. I've also learned to be courageous and communicate and concerns the doctor and more qualified college. Nursing is a field of cognition learning and in committed to being a knowledgeable professional.
Talk us through and explain that demonstrates your ability to deal with an emergency.
During the first wave of the COVID-19 crisis, information about the disease was rapidly evolving. Our treatment plan was unknown and resources were being depleted by the minute. In an emergency of this scale, the entire hospital team had to work together. We had to implement systems to prioritize resources for more serious patients. I had to sacrifice my own time with my family to ensure the safety of my patient. Being able to respond quickly and solve problems efficiently help you take care of your patient.
How do you use leadership skill in the workplace?
My leadership ethos is to balance discipline with communication. As a nurse, this means caring for a patient's best interest. As a leader, this means creating an environment where my co-workers openly express their ideas and concern with uploading hospital access and parking. I believe this is the reason I have been able to identify and resolve issues in a timely and effective manner.
How do you manage a conflict among staff members?
My approach to conflict resolution is to act as a mediator so that both patients can agree on a compromise. In my previous role, a colleague of mine would often arrive late to his shift. This bothered a few nurses because it would delay handover. Before the conflict could fester, I sat down with my CO worker to understand his situation. He confided in me about the support he needed for childcare. Thus, I helped him arrange childcare in this case. Timely intervention and complication were key to.
Thank you for answering several questions well. We will consider it and we will contact you again via email. Thank you.